This is Big Fella,
And this is other big fella.
and today we'll be teaching you about sounds.
Sound. How in the heck?
How do?
Well, big fellas, sound is the product of a medium shaking. And when the medium shakes, it vibrates the air, water, or any medium it may contain or come in contact with. These vibrations are called longitudinal waves. These are waves we can hear.
A sound wave is comprised of two parts, a compression and a rarefaction. The compression has high pressure, while the rarefaction is low pressure. The wavelength of this vibration is the start of the compression to the end of the rarefaction. The speed divided by the wavelength of this wave determines its frequency, and since the speed of a wave is constant, 343 meters per second, or 767.269 miles per hour.
We converted that number into Braille for our fellow big fellows out there that are blind.
Then you can find your frequency easily by dividing 343 speed by wavelength.
Or 767.269 miles per hour for our Americans.
Your amplitude is the distance from the top of your weight to the ambient pressure, aka the equilibrium.
With this information, you know that your pitch from the frequency and your loudness from amplitude.
How do some devices we own create sound?
Speakers, the devices in our phones and earphones, allow us to hear the electrical signals sent to our phones. The cone of this speaker is made of a flexible plastic or paper, which amplifies the sound. The frequency is due to the speed back and forth of the electromagnet. The faster the to and fro of the magnet, the higher the frequency. As the electromagnet switches poles, it gets pushed and pulled away from the fixed magnet inside the speaker. This vibrates the cone.
Another common object that creates sound is an acoustic guitar, which has some similarities and differences from a speaker. The strings of a guitar act similar to the cone of the speaker, where they vibrate the air in a longitudinal way.
But the strings of the guitar itself do not produce a lot of noise. So to help, acoustic guitars have a wind box to amplify the sound by vibrating the box in the air outside and inside of the box.
When you go lower in frets on the guitar, your string gets less room to swing or vibrate, thus increasing frequency. This creates the notes on the guitar. Beautiful, beautiful notes. And to sign off this YouTube video about sound, we have Yoda, Master Yoda actually, of the Jedi Order. And he will have some well-taught ideas for him to share. Master Yoda, would you like to... Here you go. Yep, oh, here we go.
Big fella physics. He makes content. Good, yes. Recommend. I do. Good job. Follow, of course. If you support Yoda, so like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Do this for Yoda. Very good.